think it's time to cut some wood. Hey YouTube, hope everybody's doing well. It's Jason with Backyard Firewood. If you're a return visitor, thanks for coming back. If you're a new visitor, thanks for finding the channel. Thanks for visiting it. Hope you like it. If you do like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. A little bit about me. I'm a hobby firewood cutter, firewood seller. I'm out at my oak hunting hole. So if you've watched a few of my other videos recently, you'll know I've been out at my oak hunting hole here, cutting up some of these stumps that I'm getting for free down the road from my house. I decided it's a beautiful Friday here in Michigan, and I might as well come out here and fill up the truck and all that. And since I'm only a couple miles from my house, I don't bother bringing my trailer because it'd actually be more hassle. So anyway, today I'm going to be running my my ported 572, running a 24-inch bar, full chisel, full house chain on this one, and then on deck, if I decide to do a little bucking on some smaller stuff, I've got my 550 XP Mark II 18-inch bar, X-cut semi-chisel chain, which I really like. I've said that many times. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chaps and my helmet on and all that, and then we're going to get started. All right, I'll be right back. Well, actually, had quite a bit cut up when I had to go sharpen my chain, so I actually got the truck almost loaded. I got a little bit more room. So rocking a short bed F-150, so I can fit about a face cord in there. Since I don't want my 550 to feel left out, I'm going to give it a shot on this guy right here. So Get that. Well, not a nice little load of oak I've got. Like I said, I don't worry about piling it high since I'm so close to my house. I'm just trying to finish off right now my pre-order for next year. So hopefully this will get me close. So anyway, let's go back to the house and unload this and split it. Till next time. See ya.